wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at my fucking mirrors. Holy shit. I think I just went deaf in my left ear. Like all of a sudden, I can't hear anything out of my left ear. Alright, well, this is coming to the end of the video. So if you guys did enjoy this video, probably won't. Jesus, let me talk. I'm probably not going to be posting this anywhere else other than YouTube, maybe. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, then remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and also visit the other social medias in the link in the description. But other than that, I'll see you guys all later. Peace.